surge is coming up.
I know, I'm on my way back.
You gotta come over here.
I know, I was just...
We're leaving the bridge. We're driving back towards inland. The surge is coming in.
Oh, okay. All right. I'm on my way.
All right, I'll meet you down here.
Or did you go across the bridge?
Yeah, I just crossed the bridge.
All right.
Holy shit.
You're telling me?
I got you all in the video. Your instrument on top is fucked.
What do you mean?
Your whole weapon on top is being pulled off. Like, it's hanging off by a thread.
That's all right. It'll be...
No, like, you need to anchor it down. It's holding on by one thread. Like, one point.
Okay. There's nothing I can do about it.
Look, I think we're going to win, though, like 120 on that bridge.
Were you able to keep your vehicle on the road?
Yeah.
All right.
With one hand.
I don't know if I can get across the bridge, man.
Just be safe.
Go slow?
Just go slow, you'll be fine.
I'm scared I'll flip. Well, a tree just went and landed in the middle of the road. It's blocking my way.
A what?
A tree just fell and is blocking my way. Like, straight up. Yeah, I can move it, but when the wind stops...
Hey, would it make any sense if I told you that we're still not in the Iowa?
Oh, okay, that's nice.
We're almost there.
Okay.
I think it's just now getting started.
Yeah. Well... there's nothing I can do about it.
So what are you going to do about it?
Try to get up as high as I can. I can move that easily.
Well, I would get out a little bit. I got to call someone real quick and I'll call you back, okay?
All right, man. You're fine.
And if you need my help, I'll come back.
Yep, you're good. I'll be all right. I have some access to a higher elevation on this bridge, so I can at least use that to my advantage.
Okay. Well, like I said, if you need help moving the tree, I'll come back and I'll meet with the tree, but...
All right.
just try moving it first.
I will.
For me to turn around in this...
No, you're fine. I'm watching the surge.
Alright.
I think I'll be alright. Because I have a part of the bridge that I can go up on, so...